A laptop black screen occurs when the computer turns on. You see lights and hear fans, but the display shows nothing. This is a common issue that can result from hardware problems like faulty components or software issues like driver conflicts. Don't panic. Many of these problems are user-fixable at home. This guide covers practical solutions current as of December 2025. First, ensure your laptop is actually powered on and not just in sleep mode. Try a hard reset. Disconnect the power adapter, remove the battery if possible, and hold the power button for 20 seconds. Reconnect everything and try turning it on. If you're using an external monitor, try connecting that to see if you get an image. This will determine if it's the laptop's screen or the graphics card. Connect your laptop to an external monitor using an HDMI or VGA cable. This helps isolate whether the issue is with the laptop screen or something else. If the external monitor displays an image, the problem likely lies with your laptop's screen or its connection. The graphics card and other components are working properly. If the external monitor also shows a black screen, the issue is probably with the graphics card or other internal components. This indicates a deeper hardware problem that may require professional repair. This external display test helps you determine whether the black screen is caused by the laptop's display hardware or deeper internal problems, guiding your next troubleshooting steps. Faulty RAM can cause a black screen issue. Power off the laptop completely. Open the access panel on the bottom of the laptop. Remove the RAM sticks by pushing the clips outward. Clean the contacts on the RAM sticks gently with a soft cloth. Reinsert the RAM sticks firmly into the slots. Ensure the clips click into place, then close the panel. Turn on the laptop to check if the display appears. If hardware appears fine after previous checks, test for software issues by booting into safe mode. Restart your laptop and repeatedly press the F8 key or Shift F8 during startup. Consult your manufacturer's guide for the exact key combination. This accesses the Advanced Boot Options menu, where you can select Safe Mode. Here's a visual guide showing how to access Safe Mode. From the Advanced Boot Options, select Repair Your Computer to access additional options. Choose Safe Mode to boot with only essential drivers and services. If your laptop displays normally in Safe Mode, the black screen is probably caused by a driver conflict or incompatible software. Outdated or corrupted graphics drivers are a common cause of black screen issues. In Safe Mode, open Device Manager by searching for it in the Start menu. Here is what the Device Manager window looks like. Expand the Display Adapters category to see your graphics cards. Right-click your graphics card and select Update Driver. If that doesn't work, select Uninstall Device instead. Then restart your laptop. Windows will reinstall the driver automatically. Alternatively, download the latest driver from the manufacturer's website. Common manufacturers include NVIDIA, AMD, and Intel. In rare cases, incorrect BIOS or UEFI settings can cause a black screen issue. Restart your laptop and immediately press the key to enter the BIOS or UEFI setup. Common keys are Delete, F2, or F10. Check your manufacturer's manual for the exact key. This is what a BIOS setup screen might look like after pressing the correct key. Once in BIOS, navigate using arrow keys to find display-related settings, such as the primary display adapter or boot display device. Ensure these are configured correctly for your hardware. If settings appear incorrect, reset to default settings. Look for options like Load Setup Defaults or Reset to Defaults in the Exit menu. This often resolves misconfiguration issues. Be extremely careful when changing BIOS settings, as incorrect changes can prevent your computer from booting properly. If unsure, consider seeking professional help. BIOS issues causing black screens are rare, but checking and resetting these settings can resolve stubborn display problems. If none of the previous steps resolve the black screen, the issue may involve serious hardware problems, such as a failing graphics processing unit, motherboard, or display panel. These components are critical for your laptop's display function. At this stage, run the built-in hardware diagnostics available in your laptop's BIOS or UEFI firmware. This tool can test memory, CPU, display, and other components to identify faults. Access it by restarting and pressing the appropriate key, usually F2, F10, or Del during boot. For these advanced hardware problems, professional repair is recommended. Technicians have specialized tools and expertise to diagnose and fix issues like motherboard failures. Additionally, always back up your important data regularly using external drives or cloud services to avoid permanent loss if hardware replacement is needed. Keep an eye on emerging AI-powered repair applications that can guide you through diagnostics and repairs with greater accuracy. These tools use machine learning to predict issues and provide step-by-step solutions, making at-home fixes more accessible. In summary, addressing laptop black screen issues requires a systematic approach from basic checks to advanced diagnostics. Regular maintenance and backups help prevent data loss, and emerging technologies promise even better solutions ahead.